So what do y'all think? Comment below. Would you keep it? I have to tell you, the leather is stunning, and that's part of what you pay for in higher end bags is a very high quality leather from France or Italy. But it's not black. There was another prettier color, frankly, that was pink, hot pink, magenta, beige, and light beige, and dark gray. And I thought, yeah, but I will mostly wear the black. And now I'm thinking, I should have got that color. What do y'all think? Whoa. I don't know. And see also where it is, I couldn't just get in it. Let's just see. To get my cell phone out. Well, yeah, I could. But you couldn't leave it unzipped. You would have to zip it and then go. It's very unusual. I do like that it's so unusual. And I got these brighter colors because I thought they would look good for spring. But you would literally sit that down. And it sits and then just pick it up like that to go. But you know what? It would be a conversation piece because people go, do all of those zippers open? Why? Anya, this would be perfect if they all opened. And each one of those was a place to put something. Like the top one, I would have just put my card case with my ID and bank card and my cell phone. And then then each thing would have had a purpose. Not just two big openings like any other purse. And really to get into it, you need to lay it this way and open it like this. So like when you sit down, open it like that. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I think it's beautiful. It's just expensive. It's very, very expensive. No kidding. If this had been even $300 or $400, but it's actually a $1,700 purse that I got on sale. I just went in overtime. So I guess I'll go into part 2. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like, no. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's very pretty. Very pretty zippers. Very, very pretty leather. Very cute handle. And you would carry it like that. Like carry it like that. And put it on the table. Or you could even carry it like that to look that kind of looks circusy. Especially with the, or you would just wear it as a shoulder bag. It's a short shoulder bag, so it is for shorter women. It will look great for shorter women because your elbow literally hits the top piece. Now here's the bad thing about that. If it's something dark or denim, that eventually will start rubbing color off right there. And I'm noticing it squishes it down. See? I would have to do like that. But it looks really cool like that. I don't know. And over the shoulder it looks really cool. Except that is navy blue. It's not black. I don't know now what I want to do. I don't know. Oh, and look. That was open. I didn't even realize it was open because it squished down. And I'm wondering, will these eventually start squishing down? That would not be cool at all. Because imagine if these start getting squished like that. That would not be cool. So this would be one where it would be critical for you with this handbag to, when you're not wearing it, you would have to have it well stuffed, like stuffed very, very well. And it may not sit level, you know? Let me see if it sits level. Yeah, or does it? Is it? Kind of, yeah. I don't know. What should I do? I mean, it's very, very cute. Very conversation piece to go out with the girlfriends, go shopping. You wouldn't carry as much. Even though you could. I really have a lot in there, to be honest. What you would probably want to do, you would probably want to stuff this because, you know, you would want to fill up the compartments really well. Okay, it's growing on me. I like it. But once I take this tag off, it's very, very clear. You take the tag off, you own it. This is not a lightly loved. This was from a, dang, where'd I get it? I can't remember the name of it. I'm so good for y'all, aren't I? Let me say this. It's from Anya Hindmarch's site. And actually, when I saw, I know what it was. When I saw this on, was it Net-a-Porter? Or it was on Farfetch. It was $1,700, $1,795. So it would have been $1,800 for this. But I can tell you, just smelling the room with this leather smell, it's a really high quality leather. The zippers are high quality. I think the only reason when I was just trying to close it, not because it's new, but because it had stuff in it that changed the shape. See, there it went just fine. Looking at the brass on the zippers, it's very good, high quality. The zipper pulls themselves are good, high quality, and they've even got a little style to them. They've got a little hole in the ends, and these have little tabs, just like they were individual makeup pouches. That's why I feel like that was, because she makes those, and they're like $200 a piece for a makeup pouch. And I mean, it's like a plastic clear with leather trim and a zipper. But they're really good ones, and it's kind of prestigious to have one, obviously, at that price. It's like having a Louis Vuitton, which this is. This is like, Louis Vuitton, $1,700. But I got it for $8.97. I think I may have had a little bit of discount. I know I didn't have to pay for shipping. But still, y'all, I don't know what to think. What do y'all think? Comment below if you think it's a keeper or a Cindy backer. Or should I put it up for a giveaway? I might. You never know with me. I just might do that. I don't know. I think it's cute. I do think it's cute. I think you'd have to be so careful with this bag to keep it looking really nice. I mean, it could look slouchy really quick. Or I could have $900 back in my checking account. Or card. I can't remember how I got this. I think I paid cash on this one. Boy, that is good smelling leather. That is really good smelling leather. I'm letting it kind of sit here and crump down. Like I'm literally, this is what I'm doing. Like that. I don't want to damage it, but I want to just see. And it is bouncing back. So don't do that again. Okay, so there's nothing in there. I really do want y'all's input on this, y'all. Now, respond without saying, I would never pay, don't say things like, I would never pay that much for a handbag. Obviously, handbags is something I pay more for than makes any sense at all. That's not the question, so don't say that. The question is, considering the bag, considering that what I wanted was a whole bunch of makeup pouches all tied together, that was going to be so cool. I am liking this product, by the way. That is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Eye Renewal Cream. I am liking it. And these are just Charlotte Tilbury eye products. I don't know. Anyway, my point is, it's not exactly what I wanted. But sometimes it's not just, is it what you wanted, but do you like it? Like, do you like it $900 worth? That you could have spent that money on something else. And should you? What do you think? I don't know. I might have to walk around with it on. But don't cut that tag off. Be very clear. Don't cut that tag off. I will put some stuffing in it so it keeps shape and has a little weight to it. Definitely, if I keep this, I would definitely want to keep these exact same pieces of shape. And probably stuff the lower piece more than the upper piece, because the weight coming down on top of it makes sure that it's fluffing up in there, and because I don't want this to start slunching down. Do y'all like my technical terms? Oh, and it also had, I hate when that happens, it had its little, I'm sure it's an authentic, the important things. Oh, I bet it's how to care for the bag. Take care of me, and I'll take care of you. My purse is going to take care of me. 6-zip stack top handle. Circus. I said it looked like a circus. Color is steam. It's approved by quality control. This is too funny. Find out how to care for your product at anyahindmarch.com/care. So it's not going to tell me. It's going to be a secret. I don't know. Okay, so that was in here. And I can imagine that they would tell you need to take special care of this. Not just the price, because there's a lot of high-end bags that they don't tell you, you know. Use good leather product, or only use our leather conditioner, or when you clean it, use this, or don't use anything but a damp towel, or whatever. I mean, damp cotton cloth, or whatever. I think the biggest disappointment, and I knew this would be a possibility, I must say that, would be that these zippers did not all open and give me all those organizational compartments to work with. And then I thought, well, if they don't, even if a couple of them open, even if only the top opens and it's like a jewelry bag or a cosmetic pouch bag to hold, you know, just from the top, then I would still like it. But I was really hoping for each one of these. So at least 2 of them are, so that's good. You know what? It just occurred to me why they probably couldn't make each one of them, because they would collapse. I bet that's why. They have to have some, no, that doesn't make sense. That's not it. I don't know. Comment below. Tell me what you would do with this very cute bag. I do also like the little shoulder strap too. So, anyway, comment below and tell me what you would do if you were me. Would you keep this or would you send it back?